What's up, guys? Welcome to Why Not Spirit. So right now I'm washing a shed for a customer. I just did their whole house and their driveway, but I thought I'd film the shed because I never really showed y'all how I soft wash with an X-Jet. So the tool I'm using is an X-Jet M5. It's really easy, so like if you don't have a big soft wash setup, all you need is this tool because you can just put the nozzle on, put the hose into like a 5-gallon bucket of what you keep like your bleach or your SH in, and then it'll automatically mix to the correct proportions that you need based on the proportioner that you put on in the X-Jet. After letting the chemicals sit for about 10-15 minutes, now I just start the rinsing process. So the tip I'm using right now is just an extra X-Jet that I have. So it really makes it easy to rinse off the siding of the house that you're washing because it doesn't use too much pressure, but it's just enough to knock off the loose dirt and rinse all that excess chemicals off. If you don't have an X-Jet, I highly recommend it. You can pick them up multiple places, but I do have a link in the description. It helps out the channel if you use the link. Also, don't forget your respirator mask. Filters out all the chlorine in the air, keep your lungs nice and healthy. Also, I got this lead for this wash off of Angie's List. But thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoy.